Magluto ako ng burger steak. Tingnan natin. Yan yung gravy na guys na ginawa ko with mushroom. O diba? Namiss ang Jollibee. O diba? Ito na. Diba? Burger steak. Ginawa ko rin to guys. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Diba? Yummy, yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Spread love, love, love to your family and friends and to everyone. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.